Umabot niya sa ping.
Isa pa, parang hindi masaya. Dadalawa lang kami sa'yo.
Umabot sa first na lang kanina yung boses.
Bigyan mo ko yun! Happy
Ay, putik.
Guard, tapon mo dyan.
Ano? Ano?
Tira, nakadabaw!
So, thank you so much guys, no? And then, of course, guys, thank you so much for that wonderful evening.
Wala, pwede ko yun.
For these wonderful days, of course, you know. Oh, yeah. I love you all, guys. Thank you. And then, of course, I came here with my friends, of course. Love you all. Thank you. So, that's it for now.
Bro, timing ka kasi.
So, ayan guys. So, yan. Anda yung ano?
Wala pa alas.
Papa person.
Wala po si Kaliboy ng problem.
Oh my God. So, ano na lang yan?
Wala nga pa yan si Papa. May mga puro babae dyan eh.
Ako talaga yung sumasayaw na yan eh. Ay, picture!
Simbiation.
Gotcha talaga yung ano, sound. Yun guys, pumunta lang kami sa birthday party. And then, of course, thank you so much everybody for the love and support. Don't forget to like and, of course, share to anybody. So guys, first time ko dito sa MGR. MYR 7A. Of course, this is my first time. Then, of course, I love you all. Don't get subscribe. I don't know what happened. This is my first time. And then, of course, puro salamin yung kanilang ano. Yung brand, you know. Cheese. Love you people.